Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl back with another video, a cooking video like I promised from HelloFresh. This video is sponsored by, not yet, one day. So let's get into my video. Alright you guys, so it came like this. They dropped it off at my front door. This is a little container that it came in, and I have my little Parmesan cheese crisp because of something I ordered. I don't know what anymore. Anyway, this is my Welcome to America meal kit. Don't know. And my Hello Delicious deals. Are y'all giving me coupons? We'll read that one later. Anyway, let's get into. I'm short, y'all. I'm on my tippy toe. So I got some stuffed peppers. And then on the back is the recipe and the ingredients. Then I got a fresco bowl. And just like that, it's also on the back. So I see them. And each one tells you like the time, what you're using, and all that fun stuff. And then my last one for this week is my Pasta Parmesan, which I will be making in two different ways, vegan and non-vegan. So yeah, this is one day, and these are 3 meals for 2 people. I used a coupon code, you guys, so everything came to $22, which, you know, considering how much the food costs, was a great deal for me. And I am really busy, so I don't have time to prep and all of that fun stuff. And this, you guys, is an ice block that it came with. It is still cold. They delivered it at like 11 or 12, and it's 8 now. So yeah, I'm definitely gonna keep this block. That's for sure, I'm gonna use that for something else. And then what's this? Oh, cheese crisp. Is this a coupon? Yay, they gave me a coupon. I do love these cheese crisps. They're so nice. So I'm excited. You guys know I love cooking, but racheling.com to be cooking all the time. And meal prepping and all of that fun stuff is not fun for me, because who wants to eat the same meal 4 times for a week? Not Rachel. So over the course of these next 3 videos, I will be sharing how I prepared each of these meals. I chose this one because his fat ass had Chipotle. This one because his adorable ass chose Chipotle, and all the others had rice and beans in it. So I was like, let's just save that for another time. My penne pasta. And I guess this is 2 people's servings. This doesn't look like 2 people's servings, babe. At all. I don't know about this one. I might have to find more pasta in my pantry. And then I have mozzarella, which I will use sparingly. And then that's on my plate. Some Parmesan for the top. Ooh, they put a little bit of olive oil. Fancy. All right, I got my 2 garlic cloves. These people are precise. A whole onion. A whole onion. Is this whole onion supposed to go in here? Because it's not going in here. I don't like onions like that, you guys. What's this? This looks like breadcrumbs. Breadcrumbs for the top. Basil marinara. And this is vegan, so don't have to worry about that. You add butter if you want. For the non-vegan people, you can do that separately. A nice little bell pepper. These people gave me more onion than bell pepper. And then nice seasoning packets. Let's get started. Let's start strong. The secret to luxuriously silky sauce: pasta cooking water. The starch that the pasta releases while cooking helps emulsify sauce, aka make it nice and smooth. I don't know what that's supposed to be. Anyway, a large pot, a strainer, a large pan, a small bowl, kosher salt, black pepper, and olive oil. And you're going to need 1 tablespoon of olive oil and black pepper, I'm assuming. I'll put the ingredients, the full list, in the description box if anyone just wants to try the recipe at home. You don't have to get the whole thing, clearly. Anyway, so the first thing we want to do is prep. Heat broiler to high and bring a large pot of salted water to a boil, which we are currently doing over there. Wash and dry all produce, which I have done right here. And core, de-seed, and dice or bell pepper. So we're going to do our bell pepper first. I thought we'd do the garlic first, but no. So we got our little bell pepper that's washed. Thank you guys. So we're gonna cut our little bell pepper. And I like cutting around the stem. That way I can just pop that little bad boy out. And then I rinse it off. Alright, so I'm just gonna set this aside and cut these into strips. So my bell peppers are cut and I'm just gonna set that aside. So it says we're going to have peel and dice an onion, and I am not really going to use the whole onion. I broke this nail, so I have to be really, really careful. So do not follow my cutting. It is not the proper way to cut. My mother would kill me if she saw me cutting like this. I think I'm going to use half an onion just because I don't really like the texture of onion once it's cooked. I love the flavor, but the texture, Right, so the proper way I'm going to show you or try to cut is with your nails back, because you don't want to cut like this because you'll chop off your finger accidentally, maybe. So you want to chop like this so that it's against here. So if anything, you slice off maybe your skin, but it's the skin off your knuckle, so it's not bad. Or as bad, I should say. So you're just going to go like this. And it also helps you know how to cut, like the width to cut in ballpark, like a little ruler. I'm gonna do it like this now because my nails are not going to cooperate with me and I am not dying for the sake of this video. All right, you guys, so I strained my pasta, left a cup of water aside because we're going to use that for the sauce. It's over there draining, and then I am going to grate my garlic. I don't think I have to show you guys this. I think everybody should know how to use a grater. Let's go. Yeah, I think I'm going to use that side. Ooh, maybe I don't know how to use a grater. So after grating it, it was about this much that I got out of it. So a tablespoon. I still have a little bit of dreads left. So yeah, but even when you grate out, it's not gonna be that much. So I'm going to put in my garlic and my onion like they said. I do think I'm going to add a little more oil. I don't think I put enough. All right, so we're gonna put in half of that. Let's say that's about half. I'm gonna give that a little stir. It smells really good. Marinara sauce. Or heat spice. That surprisingly has spice in it, you guys. Skirt, 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 skirt. It's actually not bad. But they clearly like their marinara sauce and a little on the sweet side. Much better with it. Salt. Definitely enhance that. But we're going to add a little bit more salt. Since we're not adding Parmesan cheese, I'm adding a little more salt. Now on my dish, when I plate my dish, there will be Parmesan sauce. Or Parmesan cheese, I should say. Because I love Parmesan cheese. I love cheese, period. But I'm lactose intolerant, so it doesn't love me. Or my stomach doesn't love it. Whatever you want to say. It's just a tragic affair. Okay, so I have my Pyrex dish and I put a little olive oil at the base to make sure my pasta wouldn't stick. I'm just gonna pour it right in there. It is done. I'm so excited. I'm so excited. So I let it crisp up a little bit. It didn't get too brown because I don't have cheese. But I'm gonna add a cheese onto mine. Let's try. It's good. It's I'm really surprised, babe.
It's got a little kick to it.
Yeah, it does. Because I said spicy. Well, you know, their version of spicy is going to be like a little...
Yeah, that actually ain't bad.
Yeah.